Why you must buy this 2022 Vansang A3 UV DTF printer? I give you 10 reasons. It has all the functions of a normal UV flatbed printer. Directly print all flat materials and cylindrical bottles, such as thermos cups, acrylic, mobile phone cases, wine bottles, wood, glass, pens, tiles, power banks, etc. 2022 latest technology UV DTF film sticker printing. First, print on a DTF film sticker and then paste it on any other object material, including some objects with uneven surfaces or larger objects that are inconvenient to put on the machine platform, all of which can be printed with some personalized patterns, such as helmets, some small appliances, such as sticking a logo on this display cabinet, etc. Almost 90% of the industries can use this machine for personalized pattern printing. For example, gift industry, personalized gift giving; stationery industry, notebook, cover, pen; packaging industry, digital products produced by many factories; small household appliances, etc. to make some personalized logo, etc., and even some industrial products. It even includes an interesting personalized slogan on the car and so on. The cost of printing an ordinary mobile phone case ink is only $0.5 and a mobile phone case is $1, which adds up to $1.5. After printing, it can be sold for at least $10. Printing 40 phone cases a day, the profit is about $400. A month is at least $12,000.
One UV DTF film costs $1, and ink printing costs $1, add up to $2. Now it can be sold for $50 one piece. The profit for one piece is $13. Printing 5 sheets an hour, printing 8 hours a day, 40 sheets. The profit is $500.
The monthly profit is about $15,000 at least. You hear it? I just introduced the profit of a personalized custom printing. The technology of this UV DTF printing film is only available in July 2021. It is a relatively new technology. So, buy our 2022 A3 UV DTF printer now. There is less competition and your profit will be higher. A printed DTF film can be sold for at least $20. In any business, you must seize the opportunity. If you have machines that others don't have and have technology that others don't, your profits will be greater and you will make more money. We have been specializing in the production of various customized printers for 15 years. The machine quality is stable and the operation is simple. We have a full set of installation and learning video materials. Each machine will result in strict testing before leaving the factory. Take a look at our company. Our showroom, you can send pictures. We will print samples for you for free and see the printing process and printing effect. If there is any problem with the machine, our technicians will reply to you as soon as possible and will guide you through video, so you don't have to worry about technical after-sales problems. We provide door-to-door transportation. You don't have to worry about how to import, customs clearance, etc. A variety of payment methods to choose from: Bank TT, credit card payment, Western Union, and more. We have been specializing in the production and sales of various digital printers for 15 years, and we sell more than 3,000 various printers every year. Our customers come from more than 100 countries and regions around the world. Take a look at the group photos of our customers with comments. If you know a friend who is interested in our machine, introduce him to us, and we will give you a commission of $200. We are also looking for partners and agents in some countries, for more than 3 units at one time. You can enjoy our agency price. If you are interested, you can contact us for more details of agency cooperation.